Beautiful Sunday morning, everyone. And today I'm going to show you how I clean my succulent garden. It's a mess right now. And I'm also going to transfer it to that side. If you have watched my earlier videos, you would have known that I have transferred my succulent garden in our old house 3 times. And in our new house, I'm gonna transfer this for the third time again. I can't find a perfect place for it. It was a good spot, but then it doesn't get enough sun, and I don't like that for my succulent. It used to be on the other side, but then it had so much sun. Hopefully on that side, there, it would look much better. So let's start cleaning. I actually like it here because I could go at the back and see my succulent from the back. If I'm gonna place it over there, I cannot see the succulents at the back. I need to bend my back really good just to see it, but it needs to be transferred.
Just some time off, we'd be fine. never said goodbye. Reading through our convo, trying to find where it went wrong. Baby, I'll be fine if you text me one last time. Wishful thinking gets the worst of me. Hoping that it's still you and me. Yeah, I thought we'd always shine. Just some time off, we'd be fine. Guess that I was wrong this time. When I think about it now, I know that I don't. I do not wanna give you more of my life. I do not wanna give you more of my life. You're just gonna waste it now. Not sure if I'll make it out. I do not wanna give you more of my life. Hey, yeah.
Thank you for watching me transfer and clean my succulent greenhouse. If you like this kind of video, just comment down below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Thank you for watching. Until next time.